Hi, we're here at Access Registered Massage Therapy in Ottawa, Ontario. My name is Adam. I'm one of the registered massage therapists here, as well as one of the co-owners. I'm talking to you today about foam rolling for the hip flexor group. That group can include the iliacus muscle, the iliopsoas muscle, but also some smaller muscles, including the quad, as well as the tensor fasciae lata. Okay? These two muscles help to synergistically help with hip flexion. Okay? So we often see some tenderness, tension, or just dysfunction in this group with a lot of endurance athletes, cyclists, runners, but also with those who maybe sit a lot during the day, truck drivers, desk workers. In those positions, we create a lot of shortness for a long period in these muscles, and the muscle tends to creep together and lose its elasticity. So, by foam rolling, we help to improve that muscle's mobility and flexibility. I'm going to show you now how we get into sort of the TFL, the front of the quad, and you might hit a little bit of those larger iliopsoas muscles. But since the majority of the belly of those muscles are deep in the abdomen, the foam roller can't get in there. But we'll work with what we can. So, I'm going to set up that foam roller so it's a little bit more to the front and the top of my hip. Okay? So, in one of our previous videos I talked about the bone that is on the side of our femur. Okay? Which is called your greater trochanter. I'm actually going to place the foam roller just above that, okay? And there's a soft tissue muscle space just above there, okay? And that's where we're going to be working. I'm going to tilt my pelvis and my body forward slightly. I'm still supporting myself with my upper arm here and my foot down below, okay? I don't need to put all my weight down. I can help to support myself. Now, I'm just going to work only in a short range between the top of my pelvis and that bone on the side, and it's only about 3 or 4 inches, not a lot of space, but there's that small tensor fasciae lata muscle that tends to be very, very tender, short on most people. And then if I continue forward a little bit, I can work that top portion of the quadricep. Okay, and you can see that maybe I'll move over a little bit. And you can see that I only have the one leg on the foam roller because I'm really focused on just a small portion of that top piece of that quad, maybe 6 or 8 inches, where the quadricep inserts into the pelvis and works to synergistically aid in hip flexion, okay? And so back and forth, taking time in a specific spot, 30 seconds or so, taking a deep breath, allowing that tension to release, and then continuing on for 1 to 2 minutes. And that's how you foam roll the quads as well as the TFL.